Hello and welcome to this lesson. This lesson is about how to choose between similar answers in IELTS reading. In the IELTS academic reading, you may sometimes understand the passage and locate the relevant information but still struggle to choose the correct answer. This usually happens when two answer choices appear to express almost the same idea. You read the first option and think, aha, this could be the correct answer. Then you read the next option and think, actually, this could also be the correct answer. At that point, many candidates begin to guess which one to pick. And at that point, others choose the option that repeats the most words from the passage. However, neither approach is reliable. When two answers look correct, you need to identify the exact difference between them and use the passage to prove which one is correct. That is the problem we are going to solve in this lesson. Before we go into this lesson, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. To see how this works, we are going to use one realistic IELTS style passage and question. As we solve the question, I will introduce each step of the method and apply it immediately. Please pause the video and read the passage. After that, we will analyze and solve the question together. The question reads, why was the original conservation program less successful than expected? A. It failed to recognize differences between local ecosystems. B. It applied a largely uniform strategy to environmentally diverse areas. C. It concentrated exclusively on ecosystems that had already deteriorated. D. It underestimated public opposition to environmental intervention. Pause here and consider the answer. You may be able to remove options C and D quite quickly. However, options A and B are much closer. Let us place them side by side. Option A. It failed to recognize differences between local ecosystems. Option B. It applied largely uniform strategy to environmentally diverse areas. Both options refer to ecological differences. Both suggest that the program did not respond appropriately to the conditions at each site. So, which one is correct? Let's start with the first step. Step number 1 is to understand exactly what the question is asking and identify the key terms that will help us locate the answer zone. Let us look at the question again. Why was the original conservation program less successful than expected? The key terms in these questions include why, which is the question word, original conservation program, and less successful than expected. In essence, the question is asking us to find the reason the original conservation program achieved poorer results than expected. We can now scan the passage for these key terms or for synonyms or paraphrases of these key terms. For example, the word why may be expressed as because, the reason, due to, or resulted from. Original conservation program may appear as the original program, the restoration program, or the initial approach. Less successful than expected may appear as mixed results, limited success, less effective than anticipated, or failed to achieve the expected outcome. We are not reading every sentence with equal attention. We are scanning for language to connect to the original program, its limited success, and the reason for that result. With those search clues in mind, let us move to the second step and locate the answer zone. So in step number 2, we are going to locate the answer zone. The answer zone is the sentence or a small group of sentences that contains the information needed to answer the question. In this passage, the strongest clues appear in the final paragraph. First, we see results were mixed. This connects with the phrase less successful than expected. The next sentence explains what happened in different locations. It says vegetation recovered in some areas, but in others the barriers altered water flow in ways that increased soil salinity and reduced plant survival. Then we reach the most important sentence. A later review concluded that the original program was less successful than expected because its procedures had not been sufficiently adapted to the ecological conditions of each wetland. This is our answer zone. Notice the word because. The question asks why, and the passage uses because to introduce the explanation. Let us reduce the sentence to its essential meaning. The program was less successful because its procedures were not sufficiently adapted to the conditions of each wetland. In simple terms, the program did not adjust its approach enough to different environments. Now that we have located the evidence, let us move to the third step and compare the closest answers directly. So in step 3, we are going to put similar answers side by side. When two answers look correct, do not continue reading them separately. Place them side by side and reduce each one to its central claim. Option A, it failed to recognize differences between local ecosystems. This means that the program managers did not know or did not understand that the ecosystems were different. Option B, it applied a largely uniform strategy to environmentally diverse areas. This means that the program managers used almost the same approach even though the ecosystems were different. Both options involve environmental differences, however, they describe different mistakes. That brings us to the most important step in the method. Step number 4, isolate the exact difference. When two answers look similar, stop focusing on what they have in common. Instead, ask, what does one option say that the other option does not say? The difference between options A and B is simply this: recognition versus action. Option A is about recognition. It asks whether the program managers were aware that the ecosystems were different. Option B is about action. It asks whether the managers adjusted their procedures to suit those differences. These ideas are related, but they are not identical. The managers could recognize that the wetlands were different and still apply almost the same strategy to all of them. For example, they might know that one wetland received more fresh water. Another was strongly affected by tides. One had more saline soil. Another experienced different flooding patterns. However, despite knowing this, they might still use the same barriers, the same planting procedures, the same water control methods, and the same measurements of success. Therefore, recognizing the differences is not the same as adapting the program to those differences. Now that we have isolated the exact distinction, we can test each option against the passage. So now in step 5. We test option A against the passage, and then we will do that with option B. Let us begin with section A. It failed to recognize differences between local ecosystems. To prove this option, the passage would need to show that the program managers A did not know the wetlands were different, assumed that all sites had identical conditions, failed to conduct ecological surveys, or did not notice variations in water, soil, salinity, or flooding. Now let us return to the passage. The passage says, before the program was expanded, ecological surveys had identified considerable differences among the selected sites. The passage then describes those differences. It says this: some wetlands received large quantities of fresh water from nearby rivers, while others were strongly influenced by tides and seawater. It also tells us that soil composition, salinity levels, and patterns of seasonal flooding also varied substantially. Most importantly, the passage says Program managers acknowledged these differences in their initial reports. The word acknowledged in this case means that they recognized, they accepted, they noted, or they showed awareness of the problem. Therefore, the managers did not fail to recognize the differences. They identified and acknowledged them before the program was expanded. Option A directly contradicts the passage. We can therefore eliminate it with a clear reason. Option A is wrong because the managers recognized and documented the ecological differences. Now that option A has been eliminated, let us test option B, and this is going to be in step 6. Test option B against the passage. Option B says it applied a largely uniform strategy to environmentally diverse areas. This option contains 2 claims. The first claim is that the program used a largely uniform strategy. The second claim is that the areas were environmentally diverse. Both claims must be supported by the passage if we are to pick this one as the best choice. Let us begin with the second claim. Were the areas environmentally diverse? The answer is yes. The passage describes differences in freshwater input, tidal influence, seawater exposure, soil composition, salinity, and seasonal flooding. The sites clearly had different ecological conditions. Now let us test the first claim. Did the program use a largely uniform strategy? The passage says they applied almost the same restoration procedures at every location. This is a direct paraphrase of it applied a largely uniform strategy. Let us connect the language. In the passage, you find the words almost the same restoration procedures. Option B says a largely uniform strategy. These phrases express the same idea. The final sentence provides further confirmation. It says this: its procedures had not been sufficiently adapted to the ecological conditions of each wetland. In other words, the program used similar procedures in environments that required different approaches. Option B is therefore fully supported by the passage. We can prove this answer with 2 pieces of evidence. Evidence number 1, the environments were different. Evidence number 2, ecological surveys had identified considerable differences among the selected sites. Evidence number 2, the strategy remained almost the same. They applied almost the same restoration procedures at every location. When these 2 ideas are combined, they give us option B. The complete reasoning is that the program managers recognized that the wetlands had different ecological conditions. However, they did not adapt the restoration procedures sufficiently. Instead, they used almost the same procedures in each location. Therefore, the problem involved the strategy they applied, not their recognition of the problem. That is how we arrive at the answer. The problem is not usually that the 2 answers are completely identical. Instead, the 2 answers discuss the same topic but make slight different claims. One option may be about what someone recognized. The other option may be about what someone did. One may describe the main cause of a problem. Another option may describe a factor that only contributed to it, but not the main reason. One may accurately reflect a limited research finding. The other may exaggerate the finding by changing words such as some to all, may to will, selected to most, or suggested to proved. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel and continue watching the next IELTS academic reading lessons. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Bye-bye.